Hey guys, got a little wild hack for you. Setting up my Seek Outside U-turn large ultralight camp stove. The only complaint I had about it is that there was a lot of loose pieces that are easy to lose or misplace. So instead of having nuts that screw onto this, I put some rivet nuts in here, stainless steel, and that way those nuts are not going anywhere. And then on the rod, I took the feet and I used red Loctite to lock them on. The only thing that's free moving is this wing nut for adjustments. And it works like a charm. I'll show you once it gets set up. Okay, there it is, fully set up with the rivets. I really love this stove. My only advice, if you guys are looking to buy a Seek Outside titanium stove, don't get the U-turn. This is the U-turn, it's the ultralight. Has foil sides. It is such a pain to set up and it makes a ton of noise. So if you're hunting, you better be a mile away from where you plan on shooting an animal, because it's going to scare everything for at least a mile. I used to have the solid wall, and it was a lot easier to set up and quieter. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you guys like that video, please like, subscribe, comment. Be curious if you guys know of other stoves that you like or anything to make this even easier. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks, guys.